Hello guys, today I am going to show you common beginner mistakes which you should avoid to render your sequence in Unreal Engine correctly. So this is my animation and I can see it clearly in Sequencer. First, go to Plugins and enable Movie Render Queue. Here you can see two options and we will render with this first one. So first mistake is select directly rushing into rendering the shot. These are the default setting and I am changing only output directory here and render it. Let me show you the output. So this is the output, not what we saw in our sequence, and now let's make it right. Now here I have this three things: an audio track, character with animation, and this auto track changes contains my background wall. So before rendering we need a camera, so let's create one. So this is our Stina camera, and camera cut is also here. Let me delete camera cut and show you how to add it if you don't have camera cuts by default. This blue icon means we are looking through this camera. Character looks blurry, so go to camera properties and changes this manual focus value. We have to add camera to our camera cut track, so click on this plus icon and select your camera. Now we can see our preview and we are ready to move on to rendering part. Click this button and render it. In our I am changing render settings, in output change directory and make sure you have correct FPS as your animation. In anti-aliasing, higher value means high quality image plus more time it will take to render. I prefer 8 value in both counts. Now let's render. Here you can see all my render images. To combine and convert this into a video, I will use Davinci Resolve because it's free. To import image sequence in Davinci, make sure you have this option selected. Now browse your folder from here and add it to your project. Drag and drop audio as well for your animation. Here, I added the audio. The properties of my video, it's 24 FPS, but my animation was in 60 FPS, so right-click on it and select Clip Attributes and change this FPS. It completely depends on your animation. Also make sure you have same FPS in project setting as well. Check audio attributes also. Welcome to our channel. Here, I didn't had full audio, so I adjusted the audio and it's all done. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Now go to this rocket icon and export it by following this setting. Check frame rate during export as well. Hello guys, welcome to our channel.